So hey there everyone, back again with another video. Firstly, I want to say sorry guys that I wasn't able to upload video from last few days, being some busy in my few works and in exams. So now we are gonna learn something more in Flutter, and today we are gonna make the second part of the ArtGram app, okay, that we were building in my last video. Okay, so in our previous video we have seen that we have just made the what you can say bottom navigation bar and the app bar, okay, and we have just created some of these things, okay. And now what we will do, we will create the first UI section of our app, okay. So we have a center widget which is this text, so I am going to change this text, okay. So and one more thing guys, I am just going to okay, come on, leave it, I'm gonna do it later. I'm just gonna remove this center widget, and now I will add the custom scroll view. Come on, yeah. And now what we will do in this custom scroll view, okay, so we all know that the custom scroll view contains a widget of slivers, okay. So we all know that what it will give us, widget of slivers, and it will have a sliver app bar, okay, sliver app bar, yeah, okay. We have a sliver app bar, okay. In that sliver app bar, what we will do, we will set this pin to true, okay, and after that we will set the floating to false, false. Okay, if you haven't watched my YouTube UI video, please go and watch that I have just explained each and everything in that video, okay. And now we will do expanded height as 5.0, and after that we will have a flexible space, okay. So it will be flexible one here, space bar, and flexible space bar will have a title as what you can say, text, okay, and I will give it name as ArtGram, okay. And now what I will do, I will just gonna copy this leading part and I'm going to paste it here, okay. And now what I will do, I'm gonna copy these things, action widget, copy, and I'm going to paste it here, okay. So it's done. And as you can see that I am putting a sliver app bar, so it means that we don't need this app bar, okay. So I will remove this app bar from here, okay. So it is done. Now what we will do, now we have our sliver app bar to some point ready. Now after that what we will do, we will set the sliver padding, okay. In the sliver padding, what we will do, we will give a padding section, okay, and now it will be edge insect, okay, all, and this all will be 5.0. You can just match these things from my previous video. I am doing the exactly same, and so I am not explaining each and everything. So now we will have a sliver, and this will be sliver sliver fixed extent list, yeah. And now we can see that it has two things, delegate and a item extent, okay. So I'm gonna let me just set it like this. One more thing guys, I'm not feeling well today, so you can just ignore my voice, okay. But it was so many days, approximately 10 days I was not able to upload videos, so I thought I should upload video today. That's why I'm uploading today, but I'm still not feeling well. Okay, so just ignore my voice. Now it will ask for a builder, so I'm gonna give it a builder with a index. Okay, because it will ask for a builder and an index. Okay, and now we will have a list. Okay, list of all the what we have installed. We have list of post. Okay, so I'm going to give it a name as post. Okay, and in that I will have a item, and I will have a item of index. Okay, and after that we will give a comma, and now I will have a child count, and I am giving to item dot length ngth. Okay, yeah, it's done. Okay, so you can see that it's to some point done. Let me just give it a space bar. Okay, so you can see that there is a post and there is an item which shows us the error. So why it is showing us error? Because this post is a widget, okay, and item is a list, and that we haven't created yet. Okay, so let me just remove this. Okay, so now what we will do, we will create some list. Okay, so before this list, what we have to do, we have to create a class. Okay, so we will create a class. Its name will be model class. Okay, and in that model class we will have something like string user. Let us give username. Okay, and after that we have a username. What we will do, description. Okay, just guys, please ignore any of the typos here. Okay, and now what we will have, what we can have, we can have a image URL. Okay, because the post will be image, and after that we will have what we have likes. Okay, and after that to some point we have comment, but today I'm not adding the comment section here. We will add it later. Okay, so constructor, and I'm going to construct each and everything. Okay, yeah, so it is done. So you can see that we have a model class. Now what we will do, we will create a list. Okay, we will create a final list of what we will create a model class. Okay, and after that we will have a item. This name will be same as the name we give it here. Okay, so just be clear. Okay guys, now it will be what, it will be a generic class of model class. Okay, and in that what we will do, we will add a username, description, image URL, and likes. Okay, so let me add something like model class. Yeah, in that username, what will the username, let me give it a CodeCave. Yeah, after that my art. Okay, after that we have a image URL. Okay, so let me go to the this Google, and I have searched for images for art. You can see that. So let me just take a simple, okay, yeah, this is from the Shutterstock, I think so. Yeah, let me take this URL. Let me open it in a new tab. Come on, open. Come on. Okay guys, let me just copy the URL. Copy. Okay, what was that? Okay, this is the URL, so I'm gonna give this URL here. Okay, let it be, it is very long URL. Okay, so let us just leave it, and after this URL we have a like, so let me give it 1k likes. Okay, after this we don't have anything. Yeah, so we can just copy this more than, I'm just doing it one time. Okay, now you can see that it is showing us one error. This is the last error. Okay, so what we can do, we can just create a widget. Okay, so we have to create a widget. Okay, so where we can create, we have to create it inside our class. Okay, this class, home state class. Okay, so before this, the last brace, we are going to create a widget. Okay, yeah, and let me just indent it to some point. Yeah, and after that we will create name. What name? We will create this name. Okay, post. Okay, so yeah, it's done. Okay, so you can see that this post has something, it has an index. Okay, and what is this? This is item, and item is of type of model class. Okay, so we will give it a model class. Okay, and after that we will give it a index. Okay, so now what we will have to, we will return a card. Okay, and in this card, let me just give it a color, so let the color dot white. Okay, and after that we will have a child. Okay, and child will contain a column. Okay, so yeah, we have a column, and column will have children. Okay, now we will have a sized box, and let its height be 180.0. and after, let me open my Instagram so that I can reference it, take a reference from it. Okay, so yeah, okay, we just have okay, yeah, come on. So okay, so in this sized box we have a height, and now we will have a child, so child will be a stack. Okay, and in that stack we will again have a children of widgets. Okay, and in that children of widget we will just put the positioned dot fill. Okay, and it asks for a child. Okay, what we will do, I'm just gonna leave it to some for just second. Okay, I'm gonna add something more. Okay, okay, so what we will do, after this stack. Okay, after this word. Okay, yeah, after this sized box we are gonna add the padding. Okay, and now inside in that padding I'm gonna add the edge. Okay, I'm gonna add the edge insect only. Okay, edge insect only, and we will give it a top of 5.0, and after that we are gonna give it a row. Okay, one thing guys, I think I am doing something wrong. We have a column, yeah, and in that column firstly we have a row. Yeah, so one thing, okay, let me just make a row here. Okay, and row have a children of widget, and firstly we have a circular avatar. Okay, we have a circular avatar, and in that what will do, we have a child. Okay, so it will ask, I am just giving a Flutter logo. Okay, so I am just giving a size of 42.0. okay, okay, and now no, I'm not giving anything else. Okay, and after that what we'll do, we will have a text. Okay, and text, what will be the text? Okay, text will be the index. We have to just go to this index and call the username. Okay, because we have a username, index dot okay, where it's not showing. Index okay, why it's not showing us the come on. Okay, yeah, we have username. Yep, it was in capital. Okay, yeah. And after that, yeah, we have our row done. Now we will have our row. Okay, so in that row we have two rows. Firstly, in this children widget, what will have, there are three icons. Okay, yeah, there are three icons. One icon is the icon button. These are the icon buttons. Okay, and okay, there is the icon and icon, yeah, and icons dot. Is there anything for heart? Come on, show me all the icons. I don't think that they have a icon for heart. Let us give the icon of thumbs up. Okay, because I'm not gonna waste your time. You can just import the icon from anywhere else and just copy all the things. Okay, so here now we will add a comment. Yeah, and after that we will share. Let it be. I am just making the UI part today. And after what we have after that, let me see. Yeah, we have after this row we have something similar to like and description. Firstly we have the name, and after that we have the description. Okay, so firstly we'll have the children, and let me see. Firstly we have the row for number of likes. So let the index dot likes. Okay, yeah, and after this row we again have a new row. So let me just copy and paste this. So yeah, and now what we will have, we will have the username. Firstly we will have the username, and after that we will have the index dot what description. Yeah, I think so it's done. But now one thing is left. We haven't set the image. Okay, so how can we call the image from this URL? Okay, can anyone tell me? Okay, so what we have to do, we have to call the what we have to call the image from the internet or anything. Okay, so how we can call that? Come on, anyone can tell me? If you know, guys, just write down in the comment section, just right now, how we can call the image. Okay, so so how we can call that? We have to call it using the what we can say, using the URL. And how we can call it using URL? Come on. We can call a image using URL. Where is our stack? Yeah, in this child. Okay, in this child, what we will do, we will just type the fade in image, so that the image comes in a faded form. Placeholder, what we can give in placeholder, it is set for to be null, but we can set it to null. Okay, so let it be null. Okay, so image index dot image URL. Okay, so it says that it can't be null. No, it says that argument type should be this. Okay, why it's showing us the error? Image dot I think so. Yeah, it's done. Okay, yeah. So guys, let's see what the output comes. Okay, so let us give it a new class also. I'm giving it 3 classes: CodeCave 1, Cave 2, 3. Okay, so it's done. Let me just connect my laptop and see what the output comes. Okay, 1 second, guys. Okay, I don't know why am I not feeling well today. I'm not feeling well from past few days. That's why I was not able to make videos and was not able to upload videos. But today I just gained some of the energy, so I started making video for you guys, because I just read some of your comments. Okay, and in those comments I was very happy that you all are just supporting me in such a great way. Okay guys, thank you for all your support and all your comment that you have given me. Okay, I will definitely show your comments in some of my other videos. Okay, so let's just connect, let my device be connected. Okay, so guys, just cope up with my voice. Okay, and you can see that it's approx 12 a.m. okay, or at the midnight, so that is also one of the reasons. So let me just run it. Okay, so let the app. So you can see that, guys, the APK has been built, And firstly guys, this is the APK is now installed and it's being installing in my app, sorry, mobile phone. You can see this is the screen. It's now syncing the device and I hope there is no error. Okay, so let's see what output comes. Okay, so yeah, okay, it is showing us the error. Okay, so the placeholder cannot be null. Okay, so the placeholder can't be null. So what it asks, come on, let us go and see. Did I miss the placeholder? Come on. Oh yeah. Okay, so this is the placeholder. Okay, so what we can do now here, we can just call the image dot. Okay, so image. Okay, so you can see that it has image dot, and now what we'll have, network. Okay, and now it will ask for the URL, so just give the URL as, yeah, image URL. So it's done. Okay, so let's just run and restart that. Okay, so it is performing the hot restart. I hope this time it should work perfectly. Okay, so let it sync with my device and let's see the error. Let's see the app result. Okay, okay, so it is okay. Yeah, so you can see that it is showing us the everything, but the bottom is overflown. Okay, so why the bottom is overflown? Because we haven't set the box size, or we have set something wrong. Some height we have given them wrong. Let me give it approx 400. Okay, let's see. Okay, there is one thing error. What? Okay, let's see the output. Okay, come on, I don't think so this time it will show us the error. Yeah, so you can see that we have the like button, we have the comment button, and we have the what you can say, the share button. Okay, so it's not working now, but it will definitely work in future. Okay, so I'm gonna make the third part of the video in which I'm gonna add to some point little bit backhand section. Okay, so that this like button works. Okay, and I'm gonna make this 1k likes to a 0 bit, and I'm definitely make this more workable. Okay, and second part we are gonna add the camera in my next video. Okay, and after that we are gonna add some of the more things. Okay, but in the next video, that is the next video, and it will come within 24 hours. Okay, so that's all for today guys. If you like the video, just give it a thumbs up and just ignore my voice. Okay, so thank you, have a nice day.